Welcome back to Chic Shack, your one-stop shop for all things beauty. Whether you take a minimal approach to your beauty routine or devour any skincare and makeup advice you can get your hands on, one thing remains universal: we all want to know the best practices for achieving healthy skin. For the most part, we've got the basics covered by ensuring our daily routine consists of applying sunscreen, drinking plenty of water, and remembering to remove our makeup before bed. However, these days, it seems there's always a new ingredient, technique, or product on the scene, with a bevy of skincare tips to go along with it. As taking care of our skin ranks fairly high on our to-do list, we made a list of the top advice given by dermatologists and estheticians. What advice about time-tested techniques they've learned throughout their careers. Avoid the sun and wear sunscreen. Avoid the sun, and when you can't avoid it, wear sunscreen and a hat. A great tip is to use a sunscreen containing anti-inflammatory and barrier-repairing ingredients. A broad-spectrum sunscreen with both UVA and UVB protection of at least SPF 30 is best. Get a full body exam. You have to get a full body skin exam by a dermatologist by the time you turn 30. It's important to have expert eyes take a look at any moles you may have and be able to follow them for changes in the future. Also, the dermatologist can teach you how to do a proper skin check on yourself. This is very important because melanoma, the deadliest type of skin cancer, is almost 100% curable if caught in its earliest stages. If women are armed with information on what to look for, it may save their lives. Layer products from thinnest to thickest. We consider treatment steps to be anything between toning and moisturizing. Layering your serums and essences from thinnest to thickest helps the skin to absorb each layer most efficiently. Stimulate blood flow. Ginseng applied topically is a favorite skincare tip. It works to stimulate blood flow in the capillaries, promoting a healthy, firmed, glowing from within visage. Bonus points if you layer a product containing plumping hyaluronic acid with your ginseng. Maximize your sheet mask's fit. When applying a sheet mask, maximize adherence by snipping from the side of the nose fold to the eye hole. This will allow you to wiggle the mask just so, getting it closer to the under eye area and preventing any tenting. If necessary, make a snip below the cheekbone and layer the mask over itself to maximize the fit further. Use targeted exfoliators. AHAs and BHAs are popular in dermatology clinics but are also formulated to be used in at-home exfoliating treatments to reveal brighter and more even-toned skin. Simply put, AHAs help to unglue stubborn surface skin cells that cause dullness and clog pores, while BHAs enter pores to dissolve sebum and fight dormant acne. Remove your makeup. It's been said 1,000,001 times, but effectively removing makeup is the gateway to clearer, healthier skin. When makeup is removed, the skin becomes a clean canvas ready to absorb the product. An easy tip is to clean your face as soon as you get in the door instead of waiting right before you go to bed. Just as you are dying to get out of your constricting work clothes, skin desperately wants to rid itself of pore-clogging debris and pollution. A gentle cleansing oil is a great first step. Soothe inflammation. Use a skincare product that optimizes the skin barrier and contains anti-inflammatory ingredients. This will also help reduce chronic inflammation induced by ultraviolet light and airborne pollution. Barrier-damaging skincare and cleansing should be avoided. Invest in a great moisturizer. Moisturizers help our skin barrier by providing lipids, protecting from external chemicals, and providing water to our sometimes parched skin. Eat well. Your skin acts as an excretory system to get rid of substances that don't agree with your body. In the case of dairy, it is mucus-forming and can be difficult for the body to digest, which is why many people are lactose intolerant. So when you get too much dairy for your body to digest, it may come out in the form of cystic acne on the chin and jawline area. Aim for a restful night's sleep. Our minds are like a computer that needs to be rebooted every night so as to process everything we put into them. 7 to 8 hours of sleep allows this to happen. Implement more greens. Best skincare tip? Drink a green juice every day. It will be a great replacement for your afternoon coffee and will transform your skin in a matter of days. Green juice helps oxygenate the skin and stimulate lymphatic drainage, so it's depuffing too. Gently exfoliate. Exfoliating twice weekly is what is the secret weapon to perfect skin. We all tend to either skip it or overdo it. Twice a week with a physical scrub that has a chemical element like lactic acid is a perfect combo to great skin. It keeps the pores minimized, keeps the fine lines at bay, and resurfaces the skin perfectly. Try lymphatic drainage massage. Another great at-home treatment is lymphatic drainage massage to keep skin clear, depuffed, and glowing. For dry skin, massage in circular motions upward. Start at the base of the neck where your arteries are. Massage in gentle circles upwards, toward the jaw, up the sides of the face, and around the eyes. This will help coax nutrients into the tissue. You want to do the opposite motion and start on the top of the face by the eyes if you are prone to breakouts. This will draw the waste away. Lymphatic drainage massage can completely change the look of someone's face and is a great, under-the-radar skincare tip. Utilize your vitamin serum. Complete nutrition for the epidermis is critical. The epidermis is a key protective structure that uses 23 vitamins. These vitamins must be provided at therapeutic concentrations and delivered within the epidermis for optimum skin health. A vitamin serum is non-irritating and formulated with vitamins A, B, C, D, and E to give skin the nutrition it needs. Look into peptides. When applied topically, specific peptides can reduce the appearance of lines and crow's feet. Try microneedling. Microneedling reduces the appearance of fine lines, softens the look of scars, and enhances the performance of skincare ingredients. Use non-foaming cleanser. When choosing a cleanser, stay away from high-foaming cleansers, as they can strip the skin, leaving it tight, dry, and more prone to breakouts. It can even cause lines, wrinkles, and sensitivity to the environment. Instead, a strategic skincare tips is to apply a pre-cleanser prior to cleansing to help thoroughly clean your skin without stripping your skin's natural oil. Wash your body with care. Dry, overly washed skin highlights wrinkles and looks more aged than hydrated skin. Sleep right to avoid wrinkles. After sunlight, UV exposure, the second cause of wrinkles is sleeping. Squishing your face into a pillow for approximately 2,500 hours per year while you sleep is like ironing wrinkles into the skin. Strategically position your head so the lower half of your face never touches your pillow. What this helps to prevent is a squishing of the face, which would exacerbate the wrinkles that come with age. These are the deep creases, also known as the parentheses, or marionette, lines that run from the nostril to the corner of the mouth on both sides of the face and are enhanced every time you smile or laugh. Find the right spot treatments. The best solution initially is to leave your pimple alone to get rid of it faster. This may come as a real surprise, but most spot treatments actually make the blemish stick around longer when used in this way. It will also lead to a prolonged recovery time with scarring. When there is an infection within the pore, the natural process is for the infection to come up and out through the skin surface. Applying a warm, damp washcloth to the blemish beforehand for 2 minutes can soften up the skin to make for easier extraction. Once the whitehead is removed, dab on a zit zapping product. Treat your neck as an extension of your face. The 45-degree angle that you hang your head to look at your cell phone causes a repeated squishing of the neck, also called tech neck, resulting in premature folds and wrinkles. To treat this, most people know to apply moisturizer to the neck, and many do this, but the mistake is made in treating the neck as an afterthought. This particularly applies with sunscreen, since the #1 cause of premature skin aging is UV rays given off from the sun. The best way to apply sunscreen to this area is by doing a full second application exclusively to the neck. In addition to sunscreen, be sure to apply your serums and moisturizers in an upward motion to go against gravity, she says. Increase the circulation in your skin. When the skin ages, less oxygen and fewer nutrients are being delivered to it. So with fewer vessels, it means less nutrient-rich blood, and oxygen is being brought to the cells of the skin. The result is dull, tired-looking skin. To be sure skin is healthy and has good blood flow, hang your head upside down for 3 minutes per day. It's one of the best skincare tips. This can also be done up against a wall, during a downward dog in yoga, or by simply hanging your head over the side of your bed. After 3 minutes, a slight redness will appear on the skin, and in the long run, it can make a big difference in getting and keeping that inner glow going strong. Start getting facials. Get facials once a month. Nothing you do at home can replace professional exfoliation, extraction, and attention. Take chamomile and rosemary baths. Boil a large pot of water with 1 cup of chamomile tea leaves and 1 cup of rosemary. Cook these for 15 minutes. Then strain and add this water to your bath. Not only will you feel relaxed from your day, but also, this potion will soothe your skin like nothing else. Dry patches and redness will disappear overnight. Ready to try these professional tips? We sure hope you do. And if you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more curated, useful information about all things beauty and beyond. Until next time, let's keep that skincare routine in check.